In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Atlas AI 2.0 to go from a blank Shopify account to a fully customized, ready-to-sell store. Theme, product pages, descriptions, images, even upsell bundles, all in just a few clicks. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, starting from installing it on Shopify and ending with a store that's live and ready for customers. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build your e-commerce business smarter, faster, and with fewer headaches. So if you've been putting off launching your store because it feels too complicated or time-consuming, this is the shortcut you've been looking for. Let's jump in. Why Atlas AI exists and who it's for. Now, before we start clicking any buttons, it's worth understanding why this tool exists in the first place. A lot of people give up on e-commerce before they've even sold a single product. Not because they don't have a good idea, but because getting a store ready to launch feels like an endless to-do list. Writing your own product descriptions can take hours. Picking a theme is stressful when you're worried it won't convert. And don't even get me started on trying to get product photos to look good without spending a fortune. Atlas AI takes that pain away. It's designed for beginners who want to skip the steep learning curve, time-strapped entrepreneurs who'd rather focus on marketing and sales, budget-conscious sellers who don't want to pay for separate copywriting, design, and upsell apps. It's not just a theme or a builder. It's an AI-powered store creation tool that handles 90% of the work for you and still lets you customize the details. Step 1, installing Atlas AI. All right, first things first is getting Atlas onto your Shopify account. So to do that, you can either go to the Shopify App Store and search Atlas AI Store Builder, or better yet, just click the link down below in the description because we have it ready for you right there. And if you don't already have a Shopify account, we'll also have a link for you down in the description as well. All you need is an email address to get started, and you get a free 3-day trial. After that, it's $1 per month for 6 months, which is pretty dope. So go ahead, click the link down in the description. So let's go ahead and get started here with a free trial. We'll go ahead and plug in my email and create a password and create a Shopify account. Okay, so from here, it's gonna go ahead and ask you to go ahead and insert your credit card information, which if you want, you can go ahead and skip that. But to go ahead and use Atlas AI, you're gonna have to select a plan, but you're not gonna be charged yet. So you get that free 3-day trial starting when you sign up for 3 days. Next, it's gonna be $1 per month for 6 months going forward. So let's go ahead and fill this information out real quick. All right, with that information in, we can go ahead and select our plan. I'm just gonna go ahead and select the basic plan for now. And then we can go ahead and just put in our business address stuff here. Okay, and just like that, we have our Shopify store set up. So again, you can go ahead and either click the link down in the description to get started with Atlas AI, or you can go ahead and search up here at the top. So I'll just type in Atlas AI and it's right there. So if we go ahead and click on that, it's gonna go ahead and bring us over here. And we'll go ahead and click install. It'll bring us back to our Shopify account here, and we can click this install button again. And now we have Atlas AI in our Shopify store. So just click install. Again, there's a free trial, so you can explore this without any commitment. Make sure to just approve the permissions so that Atlas can pull in your products, orders, and store data. Again, if you don't have a Shopify store yet, Shopify itself has a free trial, which again, you can click down below in the description where they have that promo pricing for the first few months. So you can set up both at once. Now, once Atlas is installed, you'll land on the Atlas dashboard inside Shopify. And this is where the fun begins. Step 2, generating your first store. So this is the part that usually makes people raise an eyebrow because it's ridiculously simple. Here's how to do it. We're gonna grab a product link. This could be from AliExpress, Amazon, Alibaba, or even a product already in your Shopify inventory. We're gonna paste that link into Atlas. Select your preferred language. Click generate store. That's it. No coding, no picking a blank theme and starting from scratch, no writing your own copy. Atlas AI takes over from here. In the background, Atlas is doing quick market research on your product category, writing unique sales-focused product descriptions, optimizing your images so they look professional, applying the Atlas theme, which is built to convert visitors into buyers. So within just a couple minutes, you've got a working Shopify store. Not a demo, not a placeholder, a real store that can launch. Let's go ahead and dive into the Atlas dashboard here inside of Shopify. So it's saying, welcome to Atlas AI Store Builder. Tell us how you heard about us. We'll go ahead and select a YouTube video and click Start Setup. And then it's gonna say, let's generate your store. You can either do this now or do it later. Let's go ahead and do it now. And over here, we can go ahead and just see an example of what a store built with Atlas looks like. As you can see, it's super professional, looks super good. So let's go ahead, click Generate Store, and we'll click Next. So again, here it's going to ask us for our language that we prefer and then it's going to ask for a link from one of these 4 categories: Shopify, Amazon, Alibaba, or AliExpress. So let's just go to AliExpress and go find a product for our store. So for this, let's go ahead, we'll find some sort of impulse product that we can go ahead and put on our store. Maybe we'll go to electronics. Maybe we'll find like some headphones or something here. So, oh, here we go. Here's a headphone stand for AirPod Maxes. So let's go ahead, we'll copy that URL, and then we'll come back to our Atlas here, and we'll go ahead and paste that in, and we'll go ahead and click proceed. And again, now Atlas is just gonna go ahead and work in the background, getting all of that stuff ready. And what I like about it is it's got this little status bar here, so we can go ahead and see how much it's gone ahead and done for us already. Okay, and now we can go ahead and move on to the next step and select our product images. Step 3, choosing images and editing basics. So once Atlas generates the store, you'll see a prompt to select product images. Here's where you can pick the before and after shots, lifestyle images, or product close-ups that you want featured. If you're pulling from AliExpress like we are here, you'll probably see a mix of options. So pick ones that match your brand style. From here, you can start editing your store name, make it something brandable. The product title, so simplify it if the source link had a long keyword stuffed name. So the price, you can go ahead and set your retail price and compare at price if you're running a discount. Your rating, icon, and number, so you can adjust to match your review setup, and all the edits happen in real time. So type something and you see it update instantly on the right-hand preview. All right, so let's go ahead and select these images. Some of these sort of look like repeats, so we'll just go ahead and maybe get rid of a couple of those, and we'll go ahead and click continue. Okay, sweet. So now we can start to see what our store looks like. And again, this is looking so good already. So let's go ahead, and here we've got some color presets that we can choose from over here. We could go kind of like this. This is called Muted Forest, Dusty Rose. Again, we can go ahead and come in here and choose whatever matches your brand. I honestly kind of like that first one that they had there. I think it's kind of sleek and modern looking. So then from here, we can go click on the home page, and you can edit all of this stuff. So they've got the image banner here, so you can change the heading, the subheading, as well as a note. You can choose the image with text. So if we scroll down here, it says transform your workspace today. That's what it says right here. And then we can edit all of this information here if we'd like. For the rich text selection, that's this area right here. We can go ahead and change that if we'd like. And then the features columns, we can go ahead and update that as well. So that's this stuff right here. Now, if we select the product page, okay, so this is where we have the most customization. So again, under the product information, we can go ahead and make these changes. So we got the product title as well as the product price. Under product tagline, we can go ahead and update that. So that's this right here. It says new, this year's ultimate audio organization solution, eliminate clutter and keep your headphones easily accessible. So again, you can come in here and just edit all this to your heart's content. Step 4, customizing the look and feel. So Atlas isn't a take it or leave it generator. Once your store is built, you can customize just about everything. So for the colors, you can change the primary and accent colors or select a pre-made color group. You can match your product vibe. You know, maybe pink for beauty, green for eco-friendly products, and black and gold for luxury. For the fonts, you can adjust type styles to fit your brand personality. And then there's different sections. So the Atlas theme has over 30 sections and widgets, so you can add or remove them to create the exact homepage flow you want. Now on the homepage, you can edit the hero banners, feature sections, and call to action buttons. The FAQs, you can update questions and answers to match your product. For reviews, you can import or write your own reviews for social proof. It's like having a professional Shopify theme, but with structure and copy already in place. Okay, so from here, if you're happy with this, you can go ahead and click continue. Step 5, adding more products or multi-product store. So Atlas isn't limited to a one product setup. If you want to add more products, just select your store from the dashboard and paste a new product link. Click generate again. Atlas will build the product page for you with descriptions, images, and a layout that matches your existing store style. This makes it perfect for testing. You can add a product, run ads, and if it doesn't sell, swap it out without having to rebuild the whole site. Step 6, using the built-in bundlers and upsells. So one of the coolest built-in features is the bundler app. Normally, upsells like this require a separate Shopify app, which often means extra cost and extra setup. But with Atlas, you can just click Create Bundle from the Bundler section. Choose which products or collections to include. You can set your offer, so whether there's a discount, a free gift, etc. You can customize the titles, subtitles, and badges like most popular or free shipping. You can also adjust the colors and layout to fit your store's design. You can track bundle performance in the Analytics tab, so you'll see exactly which offers are adding revenue. Step 7, AI product photo tool. So good product photos sell products. Bad ones don't. Atlas has an AI-powered photo tool that lets you turn ordinary product shots into polished, branded images without hiring a photographer. So here's how it works. Upload 4 or more images of your product. Atlas trains a mini AI model on those images. Then you can use the auto-generated prompt or write your own to create new photos, change backgrounds, styles, colors, even the vibe. Maybe you want it minimal. Maybe you want it luxury. Maybe you want it outdoor. This is perfect for creating seasonal images, lifestyle mock-ups, or ad creatives, all without touching Photoshop. Now, one thing to note about the pricing. So once we get to this step here, we need to choose a plan. Either the basic plan for $29 per month, the pro plan for $49 per month, or the expert plan for $99 per month. Now, based on what we were just talking about, the AI photos, you need to get on the pro plan in order to be able to generate those AI photos. You also need to select the pro plan if you want the bundle or upsells, which is again a huge part of the Atlas AI platform. Step 8, tracking performance with built-in analytics. So Atlas includes built-in analytics so you can see sales totals, bundle performance, visitor behavior, conversion rates. And this is huge because it keeps your essential marketing data right inside the same tool you're using to build and manage your store. Step 9, integrations that make life easier. Atlas works seamlessly with other Shopify apps like Judge.me reviews for importing and displaying customer reviews, ZenDrop for drop shipping fulfillments, translation apps for selling in multiple languages, currency converters for global audiences. This makes it super easy to plug in the other parts of your business without worrying about compatibility. Step 10, pricing and plans. So like I mentioned, Atlas offers 3 main paid tiers, plus a free trial. The basic plan is $29 per month, then you get the premium Atlas theme, 30 plus sections, 3 theme imports per month, 5 product page imports per month, and premium support. The Pro plan at $49 per month gets you everything in the basic, plus bundler, upsells, AI product photos, 10 theme imports per month, and 25 product page imports per month. The Expert plan is $99 per month, and it has the highest limits. You get 30 theme imports per month, 100 product page imports per month, and VIP support. So you can start small and upgrade as your business grows. Step 11, who should use Atlas AI? Atlas is perfect for beginners who want to launch their first store quickly, sellers testing multiple products before committing to one, entrepreneurs who don't want to spend weeks on store design, budget-conscious store owners who'd rather have all-in-one features than pay for multiple apps. Step 12, future updates. So the Atlas team is actively adding new features, more advanced AI-generated product photos, additional store optimization tools, deeper integration with marketing platforms. So if you're just starting now, you'll likely see new capabilities rolling out as you grow. All right, so here's the bottom line. Atlas AI doesn't just make building a store faster. It makes it easier to actually launch. You could spend days or weeks wrestling with a blank Shopify theme, trying to make it look professional. Or you could drop a product link into Atlas and have something that you're proud of and ready to share by the end of the afternoon. So if you've been holding back because you didn't know where to start, this takes away the biggest hurdle. So if you want to get started with Atlas AI or Shopify, you'll find links down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.